Hey subscribers, so in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can achieve this God rays effect for your website using Framer, and that looks pretty cool. To me sometimes it looks like not from the sky, but sometimes I feel like that, like I'm underwater. I don't know, but that looks cool anyway. So here's the website. That's actually the landing page template that I'm working on, and I really like this effect in here. So it's coded, it's like a code component, but the tricky part is that you actually make that effect in Figma, because Figma has a plugin that is called noise and texture. So let's start it. Okay, here it is. Let's click animate it. And as you can see, there's a lot of things to experiment with. They have some gradients, they have some sun shining, then sparks, or what is that? I don't know. But here's the God rays that we're looking for. And here you can actually change the colors and do other adjustments if you want to. And then to actually apply that to Framer, you have to export it as code. So in here, very important thing, like here, you have to set it to percents as well as here and make it 100, because otherwise it will not show on the full screen like so. What we're looking for is iframe embedded. Hit copy. Let's go to Framer. In Framer, we go to the insert panel, select embedded, and here we can switch to HTML and paste the code that we got from Figma and hit enter. There you go. That's it. That's easy, right? I didn't expect this is gonna be so easy in here. Well, you're not able to make any adjustments in Framer once you paste it here. So if you want to change anything like speed, brightness, colors, opacity, or anything, you have to go back to Figma and try to adjust it again until you are satisfied. Like change the color, for example, hit export again. Make sure you have 100% here. Copy, go back to Framer. You can remove this code and just paste the new one that you just got. That's it. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about this effect.